Hi guys, in this video we will see iPhone privacy settings. iPhone privacy settings, you must keep your data safe and protected, and to apply privacy settings, the first one is update your iPhone. Open settings, go to general settings and here tap on software update. Tap on it and if any update available, simply download and install it. iOS update having many bug fixes and security related update. iPhone time to time update your phone. So you must updated your iPhone with latest iOS update. Such type of update appear. Choose update now and follow on screen instruction to complete the updating process. The second one is tap on settings of your iPhone. Here go to your profile picture. Here go to sign in and security. Sign in and security page will now open. Tap on it and here scroll down and look for two-factor authentication. You must enable two-factor authentication to your iPhone for better security of your iPhone and protected with unwanted happening. So you must enable two-factor verification on your iPhone. The third one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on your profile icon and here go to find my. Tap on it and make sure that find my option is enabled on your iPhone. Also find my networks and last location also should be enabled. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to privacy and face ID and passcode. Unlock your iPhone with face ID or passcode and here scroll down and look for the option allow access when locked. So restrict access when locked your iPhone. Various feature available here. Important features should be kept in when your iPhone locked. So disable unwanted and security related feature to keep safe your iPhone. So keep minimum items to allow access when your iPhone is locked. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Here scroll down and go to look for the option lock screen and tap on lock screen. Here you will find app auto lock. Tap on it and minimum time should be under auto lock timing. Choose 30 seconds minimum timing for your iPhone lock. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and go to privacy and security. Tap on it. Here you will find the option location services. Tap on it and under share my location make sure that location sharing is restricted and always choose while using or off. Never choose always while using or off. And also choose some other settings. System services, make sure that minimum required services should be enabled with location services. The next privacy setting is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and look for the option face ID and passcode. Tap on it. Unlock your iPhone with face ID or passcode. Here scroll down and here you will find the option allow access when locked. So choose minimum settings here, maximum should be avoid. Here choose face ID and passcode. Accessories should be disabled. If any accessories like USB is enabled, then disable it. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here tap on privacy and security. Here go to tracking. Allow apps to request to track. Make sure that this feature is enabled on your iPhone. Any apps you are using, you must ask to request for tracking. So first disable it and again enable this feature. All feature is now disabled, and again after some times enable this feature and choose which app you want to keep tracking.